Hi, welcome to Giga's Country Kitchen. We are outdoors today. We're camping, and I'll be putting some clips in of John building this fire for us, and we're going to be cooking some mountain burgers this evening. Okay, John is getting us some kindling made. We're going to get away from our Starlink here. Mm-hmm. Do I need to move it, or you want to move a little closer? There we go. Good job. Whoop. They will do that. Alright, we're fixing to start up a fire and be able to make some mountain burgers. We'll see what all John's got going here. We are at Wind Creek State Park. It's a beautiful day, beautiful out here, and we're gonna cook up a good meal to share with y'all.
We'll get that started first and see how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
We got some paper towels, pine cones, and sticks.
Yeah. There we go. It's gonna get going here in a minute. We'll have us a nice fire, and it's gonna be cool tonight, so after we get through cooking, we'll be able to sit around this fire and just enjoy it. Alrighty. We'll let that get going. Got anything else you want to say?
Hopefully it'll get going.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to get going. Look at our bikes here. We're gonna go for a bike ride here in a little bit. We're gonna take the girls for a walk. We're gonna eat some good food and just have a great time. We got some smoking going on here. Alright, once we get all this going, we'll get right back. So we're gonna let that heat up just a minute, and then I'll show you what we're gonna be putting in it.
Here's our other people that are waiting for food.
Yes. Yes, she's very into the neighbors right now. Okay, I have here some sliced onions and some sliced potatoes with peppers, garlic, and sea salt blend on these. And I have avocado oil. And I have just set and let these soak in this oil for just a little bit. Our skillet's getting hot. We're going to go ahead and put this into our skillet. Don't hear the sizzle yet, but it'll get there. All right. We're making mountain burgers. And so what mountain burgers is a wonderful burger that has a toasted garlic and butter bun with fried potatoes and onions and our burger patty with barbecue sauce on it. Now I'm going to be using a Dr. Prager's Perfect Burger. It is a vegan gluten-free burger, but you can use your hamburger meat, you can use Beyond, whatever it is that you prefer. Any burger, just as long as you love it, and that makes it great. So we're going to pile this burger up high with potatoes, onions, barbecue sauce, and we're going to make this beautiful, what we call our mountain burger. And I'll be back in just a minute as these potatoes get to cooking. Okay, get a little smoke in the eyes here, so you'll have to bear with me. You know how it is when you're cooking on a grill here. So what you want to do is put a lid on these potatoes when they're first starting to cook, and you can hear that nice sizzling sound. You want to put a lid on them until they start softening up, just until they start softening, and then we're going to take the lid off so that we can start getting them brown and getting some nice good coatings on them. So we're going to let these cook for just a few minutes and let that all take place, and then we're going to put our burgers on, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Uh-oh, it looks like I had forgot to cut my mic on. I'm just showing you here. The potatoes have softened. I've taken the lids off of those and letting them cook. And we're about to put our burgers on. So am using a Dr. Prager burger. Called Perfect Burger, and it's just really great. You can use whichever burger that you prefer, whether it's meat or vegan or gluten free, whatever it is. There's a lots of options on that. So I will be showing you that. Okay, we're adding some barbecue sauce to our burgers, and I'm just going to set them over here because they're getting done. And I am using this wonderful hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. If you haven't tried that, give it a try. It's really great. Okay, let me just set that right over here. Ooh, gotta get that smoke out of the eye. Look at that, we're getting some nice browning. And since I softened those with the lid on them earlier, ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. That really gets you in the eye. I'm going to just let them set and brown because we want some of that nice, good crunch to it that makes the fried potato taste so good. And if you've never had fried potatoes over a fire, boy, you're missing out because this is where the good stuff is. You have to let it sit though. If you just stir and stir and stir, you won't ever get none of those little dark crunchy pieces on your potatoes. They'll pull off. So let them get real good and brown. We'll do that a little more there. We'll let these burgers finish cooking up. And then we'll start working on getting our buns ready. And we'll load those babies up with these burgers and potatoes, and we'll have us a mountain burger. Okay, the potatoes are looking great. The burgers are done, and I've buttered and garlic some bread. And I'm just going to lay that face down and let that toast just a second and warm up nicely. Let's see if we can get it over here. And then we're going to make us up some mountain burgers. Almost there. Almost done. Okay, these buns are nicely toasted. Let's bring these on over, and we're going to put these right on our plates here because we're going to build these things up right here. Let me get that one loose. It still had some barbecue sauce on it, so it was stuck to it a little bit. All right, well, let me get this hot pan. You see our burger and our potatoes? Aren't they looking great? They smell so good. I just wish we could do smell-o-vision. That would just be the ideal thing here, or ideal thing. All right, put some barbecue sauce down. Okay. And we're gonna do some potatoes right on the bottom here. And it doesn't matter if they fall off because we're gonna pile them up high. You can eat all the other, and remember we got potatoes and onions here. Just pile them up on there. Okay, get you a little base going. We're gonna put our burger patty on there. There we go. Then we're gonna load up some more potatoes right on top. And just let it build up here. Boy, my kids, they love this. This was one of their favorites. We would even take, my husband would get the TV, and he would have his big TV he would take out and put on a trailer, and we'd get out there and build a fire. They'd have, what was it we was watching that time they loved it so much, Star Wars or Jurassic Park. We had that going out there on that big TV. We had mountain burgers a cooking, and boy, we were having a good time. And my kids just absolutely love this. And my oldest boy, he requested this, He said, Mommy, you got to show them how to make mountain burgers. Just get all that nice barbecue sauce dripping all down it. We'll put our buns right on top. And now you have a mountain burger to enjoy. Look at that. Does that not look great? I hope you enjoyed this. Get out, go camping, go in the woods, hiking, bike riding, get out and enjoy all the beautiful nature that God has given us to enjoy. And I hope you would love these videos we're putting out. Share them with others, like and subscribe, and you'll be right there to know every time we put a new one out. Thank you so much. Have a blessed night.